today we are starting the trek to Everest Base Camp, and pretty exciting day. We are at the Kathmandu airport and we have a flight to Lukla. We're lucky that we got this flight. Yesterday the weather conditions were not very great. We're very excited. We are taking the most dangerous flight of the world.
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes.
And with tons of uncertainty, it feels good that we'll take the flight today. Looking forward.
So finally took the famous flight to Lukla, and it is the most dangerous flight in the world, but the views are incredible.
तो क्या नाचो मैं
So how was the experience?
Oh, lovely, yeah. Didn't feel, by the way, like the most dangerous flight.
I don't think so. It felt dangerous.
Yeah.
The views were beautiful.
Yes. But I think the only moment was I thought, "Arey, ye to ghar aa raha hai," and then we realized we were suddenly on the strip.
We have started our trek to Phakding. It is, I think, almost 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours from Lukla. Right now we are at 2800 meters and we have to go to 26. So it's a descent today. So we are at our first suspension bridge and the view is amazing.
Just got tagged as Jay and Viru. But Jay is in a different generation, Viru is in a different generation.
दो भाई दोनों तो भाई. So we reached Phakding and this is the tea house we are staying in, and we'll stay here for the night. We'll have lunch and then we'll continue the trek tomorrow. We are at 2600 meters right now. Tomorrow we'll trek to Namche Bazaar and let's see how it pans out. But yeah, excited to see what this place has to offer. So that's our room for the night in this tea house. What a lovely view.
उनके लॉन्च पॉइंट हम जब लुगला से यहाँ आ रहे हैं ना ऐसे ऐसे चलना पड़ेगा रूट लेकर अप एंड डाउन ब्रिज करके थोड़ा के रिवर साइड में है ना.
Well, hi, good morning. We are starting our day 2 of our trek. We felt really lucky yesterday. Not only did we take the world's most dangerous flight from Lukla, we also feel the weather was very nice for the trek. God was very kind, our health was also okay. We had a good night's sleep. We have a great group. Everybody is just so lively, and I can only thank God for being kind. Tons of conversations that me and Abhimanyu had yesterday. I think by the time we end our trek, he can apply for a senior manager or a director in consulting.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
But yeah, I think other than that, there's a lot of bakchodi that we do. And today is our day 2. We are going to Namche Bazaar. Really looking forward. The weather looks pretty nice. We have a lovely room. Probably in the next video we'll record the river, which is called the Milky River because the water looks like milk. Amazing valley. So really excited to start day 2 and headed for the breakfast right now. Thank you.
So we're starting with day 2 of our trek. We are going to Namche Bazaar, and I think it is approximately 13 kilometers from Phakding. Will take about 6 to 7 hours, and we'll gain an elevation of 800 meters. Our guide says we'll see a lot of peaks in the between. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
मेरी गर्दन टूट गई तो मैं हूँ ना, टेंशन मत ले। तेरी गर्दन दे देगा मेरे को? हाँ ऐसा। मुझे बात ही हुआ मेरे। ठीक है ना? गर्दन पे जोर तो पड़ रहा है। हाँ। पर मैं दिख नहीं रहा है फोटो में।
अरे मैं पहले दिखा दिया आपको कि आप ही हो।
लेकर चलो ऊपर।
मेरा बैग ले लो ना।
हाँ 1 घंटे चलो।
1 घंटे।
How do you feel about the suspension bridge? How suspended do you feel right now?
Awesome, man. It's the highest point, I think. Not
Yeah.
the longest, but the highest bridge in the world. So yeah, feeling freezing.
जॉर्डन भाई और कितना चल रहा है?
अभी बाकी है 2 घंटे।
2 घंटे और।
हाँ
इन्होंने 6 घंटे पहले बोला था 4 घंटे और अब ये बोल रहे हैं 2 घंटे और।
बंद करो, हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ।
और बिल्कुल सीढ़ियाँ हैं, सीढ़ियाँ ख़त्म नहीं हो रही हैं। क्या करूँ मैं इस व्यू को देखते देखते, जब तक मैं पहुँच नहीं पाऊँगा। Finally at Namche Bazaar. It's 6 p.m. We started at 8 in the morning and it was a tough journey. The trek was very tough. Gained an elevation of 800 meters, and in the morning I thought it is just 13 kilometers, but got to know that it's almost 17 or 18. Damn tired. Can't wait to find my bed. We're hiking to Everest viewpoint as a part of our acclimatization. It's 3,800 meters, 400 meters elevation from Namche.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा।
The hike is easy. I would not say easy, but it's on a moderate level. But because I fell sick yesterday, it's getting a little tough for me. We got to see a lot of beautiful peaks in the middle, but I was so tired I couldn't record. But hopefully we'll get to see Everest if the weather clears up today from the Everest viewpoint. The weather is very cloudy and it's difficult to see anything from here. There is one peak, but it's all covered in the clouds. Anuj and everybody, they're way ahead of me. I have the guide walking with me, and there's a beautiful restaurant up here, but I think we'll be having our meal at the Everest Hotel. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. It's been a long trek, but I'm sure it'll be worth it when we'll see the Everest from here. Boss is also here. He was way ahead of me, but I reached the destination first. He was busy clicking pictures.
अरे झूठ बोल रहा है ये झूठ बोल रहा है
How's the Josh?
Hi. That was a first lie to say hi. नहीं
ले सकते हो
बता मेरे को
बेटर टू डोंट ड्रिंक ड्रिंक इज अच्छा नहीं
मरना तेरे को डर नहीं लगता
ये कैप्चर हुआ ना हुआ कि नहीं ये कैप्चर
कर्मा कर्मा बहुत प्यार है कर्मा कुछ नहीं है
May God bless you.
Take it easy.
अरे वाह
Mountains bless you.
फोटो
May
No.
God
Make a wish. Make a wish.
happy birthday to you. So it's day 5 of our trek. We have fortunately survived the first 4. Last evening was pretty chilly in Deboche, and right now we are taking a tea break and we are headed to Dingboche. It's comparatively easier trek, but the dangerous part is we will now be touching 4,000 meters and there will be lesser trees. So starting now the oxygen level is going to drop, and our guides are monitoring our oxygen levels every evening. Yesterday it was still in control. We don't know how our body is going to respond today, but fingers crossed, we are hoping for the best and headed for the more dangerous days of the trip, which is closer to the base camp. We did great, both of us, me and Abhimanyu. Looks like we'll sail through. We are more than halfway into reaching base camp. So yeah, looking forward. Cheers. Har Har Mahadev.
We are almost at 4,000 meters. We are heading to our lunch place, and from here we can see that above 4,000 meters there is no kind of trees. They call it alpine region basically, so no trees above 4,000, and hence it's difficult to breathe. Five minutes away from Dingboche, where we'll stay for 2 nights. Tomorrow we have an acclimatization day, so I think today we can rest. Tomorrow is also supposed to be a rest day, but don't fall for it. Acclimatization day is not a rest day. I'm walking alone and it's such a good me time. We have reached Dingboche, 4,400 meters. There's no road to reach this town. Just ऐसे ही एक कच्ची सी रोड है, and इधर hotels के बीच में भी there is no road. I don't know how we will go. We still have to look where we will stay. I think Gopal Bhai is leading us.
हल्की सी हुई थी हम क्या भाई रात को 8 बजे बारिश शुरू हो गया करेंगे एक ही पहुंचे क्योंकि वो हो जाता है ना
Somewhere in Dingboche, we're coming back from Cafe 4410 and we have taken a shortcut. This is Motu Bhai, one of our guides. He's taking us from a shortcut. Day 6 of our Everest Base Camp trek, and we are at Dingboche. This is our acclimatization day, and we are climbing around 600 to 700 meters because tomorrow Lobuche will be at a similar altitude. This is a very steep climb, but we can see a beautiful view of Ahmedabad from here. Day 7 of our EBC trek, and it's going pretty well. We were at Dingboche, which was at 4410 meters, and now we are trekking to Laboche, which is approximately 4900 meters. Since this is alpine region, there are not many trees here, so less oxygen. It's very chilly here in this region. The nights are pretty cold. The temperature last night was -8 degrees, but we have thermals, jackets, blankets, thick blankets, and our sleeping bags, which are keeping us warm. The appetite is all gone because of the altitude. I can barely eat anything, but the guides who are with us, they are forcing us to eat because we walk almost 10 to 12 hours every day, so it is important to eat. So we will be reaching EBC in the next 30 hours. Tomorrow we'll be at EBC, so pretty excited for it. Let's see how the world looks from there. Cheers. We have finally reached Labuche, which is our last stop. From tomorrow we'll be moving to Gorakshep, and from there we'll be going to the base camp. How are you feeling?
This is getting tougher now.
It's very tough.
Yeah, I think more than we imagined. It's like dragging your body now to reach Labuche. I have a mild headache, can't take my hands out of my jacket, not carrying my gloves. This is super cold, and God knows what happens next. Like, fingers crossed.
I hope they have some arrangements to deal with this cold.
About 4,900 meters now.
We're at 4,900.
I can already feel less oxygen.
It's the day, guys. Finally, today we are going to EBC, and everybody here in the dining hall is having breakfast right now, and all the groups that are here in Labuche right now are super excited to go to EBC. So the plan is first we'll go to Gorakshep, which is around 3 hours from here. Gorakshep is the place where we'll be staying for the night, and from Gorakshep we'll be going to EBC, which is another 3 hours. So today we are doing Labuche to Gorakshep, Gorakshep to EBC, and EBC to Gorakshep again. So going to be a long trek, but very excited for it because we have all waited for this day. So yeah, very excited. This is the Khumbu Valley, and the snow that you see there on the lower level is Everest Base Camp, and I can see my dream is very close to me. We are moving towards Gorakshep, where we'll take some rest, probably for 20 minutes, half an hour, and then move to the Everest Base Camp. The terrain is filled with rocks, so we have to walk on these rocks, which is quite difficult, and again the oxygen level is pretty low, so in every 10-15 minutes I need to stop and take a sip of water. Very close to the base camp. I can see it from here, and I see a lot of people there. We are a little late because of some issue at our tea house in Gorakshep. So we are running, I think, 45 minutes late.
1 hour later.
We have finally reached Everest Base Camp. Oh my god. This is so good. Finally. How are you feeling? We're finally here. Feeling very emotional right now. We just have reached the milestone Everest Base Camp stone, which is right behind. These 8 days had been full of self-doubt, difficult climate, muscle cramps, loss of appetite, cursing each other on why we agreed to do this. But yeah, the other thought that I have in mind is we did it. So congratulations. Congratulations. So a random plan over drinks. A very random plan, but we did it. We did it. And the other thought in my mind also is that this is the base camp. So what next? So Dil Mange More. Yeah, Dil Mange More. Many more dreams are born today. Yeah. So looking forward to it. Absolutely, and you have a special place in my life, buddy. Same here. Thank you so much.